Oh, it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Won't you be my neighbor? How y'all doing out there? I'm Scott with Off-Grid Stoves and More, and today we are doing another short that is going to help you locate your low limit sensor. Now, I know a lot of you out there, you're veterans. You understand these videos. You understand where parts are located. You're a veteran. You know how it's supposed to operate, how it sounds, and so forth. All of these videos are being put out there due to the fact that we continuously have calls from individuals that are acquiring these stoves secondhand, purchase a house, the stove's sitting there, or they get it for free, a barn find, or somebody gives it to them, whatever. But most of you understand that Austroflamm is the best pellet stove that has ever been made. And I gotta let you know that other retailers out there, they've challenged me on this, but you know what? And put it up against a stove that's 30 some years old, and I can tell you that Austroflamm has proven over the test of time that this stove is gonna outlast most of us. I mean, this stove here is 30 plus years old, and here we are refurbishing it back to new. So today, very easy, very quick, snappy pappy. I'm going to show you exactly where the low limit is. And if you've been looking at the stove behind me, you veterans already know what you're looking at. Your low limit sensor is right here on your combustion fan. Your combustion fan, when you are facing the stove, it's on the left-hand side, okay? Located at the top of the housing here. And there really isn't much to a low limit sensor other than it opens and closes upon the temperature that the combustion air sends through the combustion fan, and it either turns the stove on or it shuts the stove off. And this isn't a troubleshooting video. This is basically just to help you locate it. And if you want to know how to jump it, how to test the stove, please go to our low limit, high limit video, and you'll get all that information. But again, this is a short. Only 2 screws here that you have to mess with besides the 2 wires. Just make sure that, excuse me, when you end up pulling the wires off, don't pull on the wire. Use like needle nose pliers, grab the connector on the wire, and then go ahead and wiggle it loose to pull it off. I've got individuals continuously pulling wires out of the connectors. It really isn't that big of a deal to fix, but it is an inconvenience. The low limit snap disc, we have them in stock. Give us a call. We'll shoot one to you in the mail. Really isn't much to it other than it's got a gasket. If it is compressed, if it's brittle, if it's hard, there's no sponginess left in it, give us a call. We'll send you a new gasket. If you need any troubleshooting advice, email us at offgridstoves@gmail.com, and we will get back to you within an hour or two by email. If you cannot email us and you have to call us, go ahead and give us a jingle at 800-348-1021 and give us 24 hours to get back to you. Alrighty? Thank you. You guys stay safe out there. Peace.